Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the genetic disorder which is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a medical condition in which the ability of blood to clot is severely reduced, causing the sufferer to bleed severely from even a slight injury. As we can see, the hemophilia patient has bleed severely because of slight injury. This is because there is absence of blood clotting factor in their blood. As we can see in the diagram, normal person has clotting factor, and when the cut is occur, there is a clotting factor can cause and blood bleeding stop. But in the case of hemophilia, there is absence of blood clotting factor. Person can suffering from severe bleeding. Even a slight cut or even a single cut can be occur in their body. Therefore, hemophilia patient can has severe bleeding. Even a slight injury can occur in their body. Hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disorder. When disorder or mutation occur in X chromosome, thus the X-linked recessive disorder can cause. Male has greater chance of carrying this disorder than female. This is because males contain only one X chromosome and females contain two X chromosomes. Mostly females are carriers because the females contain two X chromosomes. They contain one normal and one affected. The normal is dominant than affected, therefore females are carriers. Causes of hemophilia are: the disease is caused by hereditary lack of coagulating factor 8. Genetic mutation occur in factor 8. This is because when coagulating factor is absent, the person is suffering from severe bleeding in hemophilia. And it is a hereditary disease and it can transfer from generation to generations. As we can see in the pedigree of X-linked recessive, the right side pedigree in which unaffected father and carrier mother. As we know that father can transfer their disorder to only their daughters, but in the case of mother, they transfer their disease both of their offsprings. But 50% offsprings are affected, but 50% remain normal. In the case of unaffected father, one daughter is unaffected and the other is carrier. This is because the mother is carrier and they transfer the affected gene to their daughter, and son is affected. This is because the affected gene can transfer from their mother to son, and mother is carrier. Mother is carrier because mother contain two X chromosome. One is affected and one is normal. But in the case of son contain only one X chromosome. Therefore, the son is affected and the daughter is carrier. In the case of affected father and unaffected mother, affected father can cause disorder both of their daughters, but unaffected mother does not transfer their disease to their sons or offsprings, and in the case of affected fathers, their son remain normal. Severity of hemophilia. Hemophilia in male is more severe than females. This is because male contains one X chromosomes and the other is Y chromosomes. But in the females, hemophilia is rare because she contains two X chromosomes, because one X chromosome is affected and the other is normal. But in the case of male, if one X chromosome is affected, then the male contains definitely cause disease. Now we will discuss about the types of hemophilia. There are four types of hemophilia: hemophilia A, hemophilia B, hemophilia C, and parahemophilia. In hemophilia A, the factor 8 is absent and it is X-linked recessive inheritance. In hemophilia B, the factor 9 is absent and it is X-linked recessive inheritance. In hemophilia C, the factor 11 is absent and it is autosomal recessive inheritance. Or at the end, parahemophilia, the factor 5 is absent and it is autosomal recessive inheritance. As we discuss about the types, we will discuss about the people affected ratio. Means how many people are affected from hemophilia A, B or C. In hemophilia A, about 80% people suffer from hemophilia A. In hemophilia B, about 20% people suffer from hemophilia B, or in and hemophilia C, only 1% people suffer from hemophilia C. Therefore, the ratio in which most of the person affected is hemophilia A, because 80% people affected from hemophilia A, then less than hemophilia B, and very least amount hemophilia C. The treatment of hemophilia is: there is no such cure or of genetic disorder, only preventive measures should be taken, because genetic disorders does not have such type of cure or treatment present. The care of hemophilia is: apply a cool pack of ice after an injury, Apply pressure on an affected area. The symptoms of hemophilia is prolonged bleeding, pain, swelling, tightness in joints, unusual bleeding after vaccination. This is all because the factor 8 is absent in the hemophilia patient. Now we will discuss about some treatment of hemophilia, such as replacement of missing clotting factor. This is because when factor is absent, the gene therapy is occurred, and the missing clotting factor is replaced in the body of hemophilia patient. And sportive measures such as icing, immobilization, or rest, such type of treatment is occur in hemophilia patient. Now we will discuss about another disorder syndrome in next video. Thanks for watching.